Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pin a tab in your Safari browser in iPhone or iPad. So open up the Safari browser. Now open up the website that you want to pin. So right now if you see, I have so many tabs open, around 276 tabs open. Now if I want to find my favorite one, it will just take time. Okay, favorite page here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a website just like this. Then you can see at the bottom where the website name is written, on the left hand side you can see two lines and a square box. Okay, you need to simply tap on that one. It will open up this option. Now click on three dots at the bottom right hand corner. Now again simply scroll down and you'll find an option called pin tab here. Okay, simply tap on this one. Now this tab is pinned. Okay, let me show you how you can watch this. Now again click on the two page kind of options option at the bottom right hand corner to see all the tabs. Now at the top you can see that website is pinned. Okay, so if I want to reach directly there, simply click on that pinned website and it will open just like this one. So this is how easily you can pin a tab in Safari on your iPhone and iPad. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.